Are you tired of paying full price when shopping online? Imagine getting your favorite products at unbeatable discounts with just a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grab the best shopper coupons, promo codes, and discounts, so you can save big on every purchase. Step 1. Start by visiting promosaver.net, a reliable platform where you can find the latest and greatest deals. I've made it super convenient for you by including the link in the description and comments section of this video. With just a click, you'll have access to a treasure trove of money-saving options. Step 2. Once you're on the site, explore the variety of coupon codes available. Whether you're shopping for cutting-edge gadgets, must-have home essentials, or the trendiest accessories, you'll find a discount code tailored to your needs. The best part? You're in complete control, choosing the offer that works best for you. Step 3. After selecting the perfect coupon, simply apply it during the checkout process on Gshopper. Watch as your total drops instantly, giving you access to premium products at a fraction of the cost. It's quick, easy, and incredibly rewarding. Why settle for paying full price when amazing deals are just a few clicks away? By following these 3 simple steps, you'll unlock exclusive discounts and make every shopping experience on Gshopper a win. So, what are you waiting for? Hit play, follow along, and start saving today. Shopping smarter has never been easier, and the best part? You're in on the secret to getting more while spending less. Let's turn every shopping spree into a celebration of savings. Watch the full guide now and thank me later.